Rahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. We will read class 6 unit number 3 long questions. Our first long question is differentiate between globe and map. The basic difference between globe and map is that globe is spherical and map is flat. The whole world can be shown on the globe while map can be made of any area. More detail cannot be shown on globe while on map every detail could be represented. Our question number 2 is what is importance of map? Answer: maps indicate directions and important places. They are helpful of navigation, land and aerial journeys. They also play an essential role in tourism because they provide detailed information of various places to tourists. During war, they are used for planning. With the help of maps, areas of minerals, agriculture and industrial can be depicted. Weather conditions can also be indicated on maps. They help to measure the distance of an area. Our question number 3. Write a note on map directions. Answer is map is made on the basis of directions. Directions help to find out the exact location of places. There are 4 directions named as north, south, east and west. These are known as cardinal directions denoted by N, S, E and W. 4 more directions such as northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. These are known as intermediate directions. Question number 4. Explain time zones of the world. A time zone is an area of earth that has a specific time that all citizens can set their clocks according to their region or country. Different time zones exist as we move from east to west or west to east on the surface of the earth. The International Standard Time is taken regarding Greenwich, England, because it passes on the map through Greenwich, England. If can move towards east from Greenwich, time will be added. We will minus it if we go to west. Question number 5. What do the symbols depict on the map? Symbols are used to depict natural and cultural features on map. Both shapes and colors can be used for symbols on map.